Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I have got this very old Goblin Wizard Deluxe. Now this got given to me and it's in very bad condition. There's no way I can switch it on because it does spin a little bit. It's in really good condition. Well, I say that. It's not completely seized up. So this is Goblin BBC Limited, made in the United Kingdom, model number G41 80644, 230, 250 volts, 150 watts, 25 to 60 cycles AC. Now, this Goblin was made by, how do I explain this? If you've watched, my history is terrible. Basically, Goblin invented these types of vacuum cleaners, and it was Hoover that did the was the marketing brains behind it and design and stuff. But they were actually designed by the guy who started vacuums using under the Goblin name. So Hoover bought out the rights to the Goblin design, and that's how we had the Hoover Junior and Hoover Senior and stuff. But Goblin did bring out their own brand of vacuum cleaner as well, which I guess was in kind of competition with Hoover at the time. So I'm not sure on the date of this at all. It has, here is the on and off switch. This is the handle release that clips in. It's a very nice blue colour. It's got the Goblin logo at the front, and underneath here is where the belt. Now the motor is completely seized, so there's absolutely no way on earth that I will be switching this on today, because it will go kaboom. I won't even risk it. What I am going to do is, unfortunately, the bag has deteriorated at the bottom and gone rotten and come away. That needs to be cleaned. I'm sure after washing this, it will come up to a better condition, and then it can be reattached onto this. So what is happening with this vacuum cleaner is that it's going down to a fellow collector and restorer by the name of Etienne Danilo. So hello Etienne, I hope you're well. Excuse me while I sweat because it's so hot in here. And this is going to go down to him, and he is going to have a go at restoring it. I personally don't have any use for it, so I'm going to just undo the cable. Let's have a look. Now the cable on this has deteriorated and the rubber has started to fray, so it is electrically unsafe. Absolutely, so it's not going on like I said. But before I send it down to Danilo, or Etienne Danilo, I am going to give it just a bit of a wipe over. It's got a wooden top to the handle with a metal. It's got two belts there, two spare belts, and then it's cream and blue. So I've got some cloths here, so I'm going to give it a wipe over before I send it down. That's all I'm going to do to it basically, is just give the outside a wipe over and a vacuum of the inside very quickly. We'll start at the top, and because this has been sitting around for ages, I was just going to have it as basically a kind of like a prop in the background, but Etienne asked me what I was going to do with it, and me asked if he could have it, and I was like, yeah, absolutely, you're more than welcome, it's yours. I'm not going to do anything with it. It would be nice to see this restored and made nice again, hopefully back to its former glory. So Etienne will have a go at doing that. Look, it's filthy, it's absolutely filthy. So let me carry on It's a lovely colour, blue and cream. It would have looked very, very smart when it was new. There we go. Just get some of the muck off. Look at that, it's absolutely filthy. So it'll be nice to see this back up and running, hopefully. I hope he can do it. Seems like a pretty rare machine. There we go. That's basically all I wanted to do to it.